Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, man, drive me, I deserve it. Nothing to be lurking.
Hi everyone, Jessica here. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. I know I haven't been that consistent with my videos and I've had to upload later on in the week instead of the Tuesday, which is what I'm usually doing. I've just been crazy busy. Most of you know, if you follow me on Instagram, that I'm in the process of moving, so my time when I'm home is basically taken up by me packing all my stuff and going through and trying to purge and throw out stuff that I haven't used in years and kind of just do a little cleanup while I'm packing. So I've been really pressed on time. So I apologize for that, and I promise that once my move is done, I will be more consistent, and you can guarantee that every Tuesday morning the videos will be uploaded. And if for any reason I can't upload that morning, I will make sure to let you know. But anyways, to move on, I will be showing you today how I apply my strip lashes. But before we get into the video, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much and welcome back. Alright, let's jump right in and let me show you how I apply these strip lashes. Alright, so let's jump right in. Let's talk about the products that you're going to need to apply your lashes. So you're gonna need your lashes, obviously. I have this 5-pack Ardell Professional lashes. These are the wispies. So I don't know if you can see them, but these are it. My lashes are naturally long. They're not very thick though, so when I go for a strip lash, I like something that's a little thicker and obviously a little longer than what I have, because if I'm going to be wearing lashes, I want to look a little more extra. So these are the ones that I like. I've tried many like thick ones and really long ones, and these are the ones that I ended up liking the most. So you just go to the store and you purchase some strip lashes, whichever one you prefer. Then you're going to need some glue. There's all kinds of different glue. I use this eyelash glue by Duo. It's a clear white, so this one. I think this one I actually got in a pack of my lashes that it came with, but I did buy a bigger one of this, and this glue I like. It dries nicely. It doesn't give me any trouble. So this is the one that I choose. Also, I've gotten, like, I usually use tweezers, but in this 5-pack of eyelashes that I purchased, I also got this, which is super handy. It's like little tweezers, but they have like the little curve in them, which makes it a lot easier. And then they have this little point here, which also helps when you're applying the lashes. So if you can get your hands on something like this, it's very helpful. If not, normal tweezers will do the thing. You're also gonna want some little scissors. I have these little like scissors that you get in like little manicure sets or whatnot. It doesn't have to be like hardcore scissors. These are perfectly fine and they do the job. So you're gonna start by taking your lashes out of the pack, obviously. So I'm gonna start with one side. These ones, you're gonna wanna measure them to your eye and see, because some of them are really long. If you have smaller eyes, like I don't find that I have small eyes, but I guess I do because these tend to be a little long for me. So if I put them just on my eye, they don't look too bad. You know, if I start from one end to the next, the length is perfectly fine, but I don't like to go all the way to the end. I start like right about like a quarter into my eyelash line, so like right there. So I usually just cut like just a little bit, like just a wee bit. So I'm gonna do that for both sides, and you're gonna want to cut the furthest end out. Don't cut like the inside of the lash, cut the outside. So I'm just gonna cut a little tad off, and you're gonna want to do the same thing. Measure the other side of your eyelash and make sure that it fits properly. We're only human, so we're not made perfect. Sometimes one eye can be bigger than the other. So something on there. Yeah, so see, if I start from the beginning, like it would work, but I don't want to do that, so I'll be cutting just a wee bit off of this side as well. You'll see your lashes come in a little like case, so you're gonna want to make sure you keep the same eye. Like, you don't want to put the eye that's like the eyelash that's supposed to be on this eye on that eye, because then it's gonna be like shorter to big. You don't want to do that. So right at the base of the lash, you're gonna want to apply the glue, which would be like right there at the base. So like right here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply. When you are done this, it should look like this. So see how the glue is on the base of my eyelash. Then you're not gonna wanna, like, you don't wanna put it on your eyelash right away. And also, I've already added mascara to my eyelashes. I find like it curls them and kind of keeps them in place while I'm putting the eyelash. You can put the mascara after if you'd like. I prefer to put it before. I feel like that helps me when I'm applying my eyelashes. So that was already done when I started, obviously. So I'm just gonna let it dry. You wanna like let the glue dry for a few seconds before you apply it. And then you're gonna go and you're gonna put the eyelash right on the base of your lashes. So you're gonna put that strip right at the base. It's okay if you don't get it right the first time. Like, see, my corners right now are not sticking. So I'm gonna start by the inner corner and I'm gonna go stick that right where I want it. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go to the other corner and I'm gonna make sure that the other corner is glued down properly. So I'm gonna go to I want the base of the eyelash to be at the base of my eyelashes. Now that the glue has like started to set, I'm gonna use this side of my applicator. I'm gonna go in and I'm going to just go and push down on the base of the eyelash for it to be lined up nicely with the base of my eyelash. So this doesn't really move the eyelash that much, but it just makes it like as close as you can get it. And you don't want to be too rough, but just move it slowly down before the glue starts drying. And obviously I made this look super easy. The first couple times you're gonna screw up, it's fine. Just keep practicing and it will get easier. Don't play with it too much. Let that sit and let that dry. While that's drying and sitting, you can go ahead and start on your other eyelash. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get our other eyelash. We're gonna put the glue on the base of the lash, and using that applicator again, you're gonna go and you're just gonna drop the base of the lash to the base of your lash. Okay, so as you can see, the eyelash is all over the place. I'm gonna go with the inside of the lash and I'm gonna go place it to the base and secure it. And then I'm gonna go do the same thing with the outer corner. Secure that. Sometimes you gotta hold on to it for a couple seconds so it could secure properly. And then I'm gonna take this end of the applicator again and I'm just gonna go push down. I'm gonna do that all the way until I feel satisfied. And if you see some of the glue, like, I don't know if you can see on my eyelash, there's like white glue, that is going to dry clear, so don't freak out. You can also purchase glue that comes black, so that's also an option. Okay. And if this happens, the glue like gets stuck to your bottom lashes, just separate them. Now we're gonna let that side dry. So I don't know if you can see, but this is the situation right now, what it looks like. So we're just gonna wait a few seconds before, because I usually add mascara after on top of the fake lashes, but I'm gonna wait a few seconds for it to dry off because I don't wanna like put mascara on right away and then have my lashes coming off because the glue is not set properly. So after a few seconds, we're gonna go and we're going to add mascara. And then I will also use a black liner just to add a little bit of black liner on the inner part of my eye, just so that it can look more like it transitions and it's not like a sharp, like darker, thicker line because of the lash. So I'm gonna go add my mascara. I'll be using the Lancome Mr. Big, this one. I'm going to use my Kat Von D Trooper Black liner. And I'm just gonna add that in the inner corner, so like basically right here. I'm just gonna add a little line just to darken it. This is where like my strip lash starts, to the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go and do the same thing for the other corner. Also, if you like to do like a wing liner, you can do your wing liner before and then apply your lashes. That's also another way of doing it.
I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all in your dreams, like duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep at decoration. You mistaken my love.
Alright guys, so that is how I apply my strip lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And remember, this is something that will take time. If it's your first time applying strip lashes, you might get frustrated, but don't give up. Keep trying. I promise it will get easier. And the more you practice, just like anything else, the easier it will get. If you haven't done so yet, you know what to do. Go and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. And thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. I'll see you all very soon. I use this eyelash adjustive.
Slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all
You see me do me dirt. So me for that work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, my da. Join me, I deserve it. No time to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a